all you Orlando high dollar supercar lovers. We are in Orlando at the Elevate. Hey, first car up, we got Ferrari, we got Ford GTs. This place is popping. So you guys aren't in Sanford over here, just south of the Harley store, Elevate. Look at this Lambo. Woo-wee. How much Lambos can you see in one day, right? I spent all morning with the Lambos and McLarens, now all night. Look at this bad boy McLaren 720S. Whoa. What do we got here? Lambo. Don't forget the Ford GT. Supercar's a supercar. Right? McLaren. What do we got? We got a Ford GT over there. Look at that. Look at this Lambo with the white wheels. How's this GT3 right here? How's that spoiler? Dang, that thing is nice. Look at that spoiler. Supercar, baby, supercar. Man, look at all these other cars right here. They're all cool, but they're not supercars. With the Lambo doors, man. Look at that. Porsche. Look at this. You don't see that very often, huh? In the car show, everything's legal, man. Inside the ropes, everything is legal. Super B, S2000, Tegra, WRX. Here comes the JDMs over here, Supra. Got the blacked out Challenger. Look at these wheels. Woo, that's cool. All right, look, he's getting in. We got him just in time. Look at this bad boy right here. Look at the can holding up the hood so we can see. Coronet purple diesel. Wow, look at that American flag up there. How cool is that, right? This car is cool. 4x4. That's the Uber garage. How awesome is that? You guys play the sound. What you are hearing is the dyno over there. They got dyno. Everybody's dynoing their bikes. These Hondas. Look at this cool Lexus. Honda. You got free Monster Energy drinks over there. Looks like the Camaro boys are going on a cruise. That Mercedes color. Wow, right? Lexus. This is cool, man. This place is cool. Here comes the supercar. Making all those noises. Oh, yeah. Let's catch them while they're going. Right here. Fadadi. WRX. Look at that. Don't get pulled over by this car. Don't get pulled over. Just remember, wrong color. Don't do it. Look at that hope. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that. Man, this place is crazy. look at this, man. I don't know. You're gonna go Star Wars Vadered out, man. Vader vet. Vader vet.
Hey, FloridaCarShow.
Oh, what's that? Look at this, Daddy! Look at that, man. Look at this thing. You guys came just in time to see all the cool cars ride out over here and lay some rubber. All right, everybody. You guys want to see some more hot rods? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Matty Car Show.